So Marcus is seeing the truck for the first time.
What do you think, Bubba?
Cool. Yeah, I remembered how you said it looks like a diesel truck because of that.
Yeah.
Grandpa said it looks like one, so I said it's not though. It just has this exhaust pipe like one.
All right, open the other side. Inside. Other door.
Oh. Janky.
Not a lot in here. You want to see the key?
We drove that all the way back, Marcus.
Look,
Can't believe that.
here's the key. And there's the starter.
Will it stay on if you even pull that out?
Yep. Oh, it can be cleaned up or not. All right, let's see under the hood.
There's,
I guess I should
we
do
need
a
those
full
things.
rundown of all of the mods on it now, and then what we kind of covered it a little bit, but
And then it's a little exhaust pipe over here.
all right. So I'll tell you and them. So it's a 4G63. So it's a 4G swap. It's a stock 6-bolt motor, stock heads, stock cams, stock intake manifold. They just cut off the back side, put it on the front, back, welded it, because otherwise they'd be turned the other way. It has stock transmission for a Mighty Max narrow block, 5-speed deal. Stock exhaust manifold, but with an FP 68 HTA is probably the proper way to say it, the version 2. Front mount intercooler, DSM aftermarket radiator, and then working backwards, it has a Ford 8.8 rear end in it already with a limited slip, so good rear end. We can change out those gears if as needed for what we're doing. Caltrax on the leaf springs, so should have some grip. Plans. Oh, here's the stuff that comes with. Marcus, here's an automatic trans. So interestingly, the Mighty Maxes could come with a torque flight trans. So that's a 3-speed auto torque flight that you would find in a Dodge from this era or older. So it's a 727. It's completely built. I don't know exactly what's in it, but it does have a trans brake in it, so we can do some nasty launches if we want to. And then nice aluminum drive shaft.
For a second I thought that was this.
No.
Smells like another one.
So we'll have some fun with the manual, teach Micah how to drive that, and then swap in the auto. Do injectors and a bigger fuel pump so we can do E85, get it retuned on E85, and that little turbo should make 400, 450 probably on E85. Yeah, maybe not with those cams. So some of our future plans, more power. Bigger injectors, bigger fuel pump, E85, retune it. Keep the, I don't know, probably keep the stock cams, do some Evo springs.
How much do you think like the turbo will run on methanol?
Oh, we're gonna do methanol? Well, let's try ethanol first. I don't know, with the stock cam, maybe 400. I don't really know. Plenty of torque though. What else you wanna know?
so what do you think, Marcus?
Bigger turbo, he says.
Always a bigger turbo.
Well, you never know. You never know. There's plenty of room.
Engine.
I was gonna say, and bigger engines coming next.
He just said it,
Yeah.
But No, the truck doesn't weigh a whole lot. Even at 15 pounds of boost, it does all right. We'll see once it gets the auto in. But
Maybe.
oh, we need a line lock so we can lock the front brakes and spin the rear.
Oh yeah. Should we tell them what paint job we want to do on it?
I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I'm back and forth on
Skull or mermaid?
skull or mermaid. I've also thought about painting it flat black. Also thought about leaving it as is. Also thought about getting it resprayed with gloss red. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's my least favorite now.
Is matching green bean.
Yeah.
Pink.
If it stays red,
Pink.
A man's favorite color is pink.
if it stays red, I said it should be named Rotten Tomato.
Maybe. Looks kind of rotten on this side. That's about it. And then have fun, do burnouts. Take it to Cletus and Cars. That was the original plan, was buy it. I guess we didn't really cover that.
Yeah, and then Cletus and Cars got canceled, so
Yeah, we were
still
gonna go
bought
to
it anyways.
Indy and do a test there, and then for the Cletus and Cars Indy, and then fix whatever didn't work great, and then take it down to Florida for their big event. But unfortunately, they had to cancel both of them, so gives us a little more time to sort it out, and still have them next year, I'm sure. Or if they have some sort of private thing, maybe we could get to a smaller event without spectators.
Whenever it's just me and you and Micah go, or you and Mom go to a racetrack, you could use this to tow that.
I don't think it's gonna tow. I
Two
think
race cars in one.
I don't think it's gonna tow very well. It's too light. There's not enough
It'll probably
suspense in
do a
there.
wheelie.
It might do a wheelie.
Oh yeah, that would do a wheelie. Just straight up
That's
in the
it.
air.
Have fun with it.
Already got attached to this thing.
Cruising. Doing a parts run for the 3000 GT. Decided to take the Burnout machine. Give this little man a little ride. I think he's already claimed this as his car or truck when he gets his license in 8 years. Look at that beauty. Marcus sized. Look at that.
Finally, a car that I also like, and the seats are big enough for me.
Yeah, you can look right out the window too.